Things you need to know on the sheep brain lab test.
Someone's gonna send this to me.
Can you see okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Do you want to send this to me after?
Okay. Ethmoid bone, fat pad, dura mater, right? Cerebrum on the inferior surface, the pituitary gland. You can just make out the brainstem, but to be able to see the difference between the pons and the medulla oblongata, it's best to have the dura removed, so I'll show you a different spot for that. And then here you can see an optic nerve. Here you can see an optic nerve, and where they cross underneath the dura is the optic chiasm. The olfactory nerves, or cranial nerve number 1, is under the dura here. So now we're going to move to something that has the dura removed. Right? Everybody good with that? Okay. So this one has been not only dura removed, but cut sagittally, and then I also took a transverse and frontal section off the top of the cerebrum over here. So I'm just going to deal with this half of the sheep brain first. So the parts, the big parts, the big regions. Here's the cerebellum. Here's the cerebrum. This is spinal cord. If I turn it so I can see the ventral surface, you can make out that this is the medulla oblongata from here to here, and this is the pons. Okay? So I want to put them together so that you can see the optic chiasm, at least what remains of it. This is the optic chiasm. I had to cut through it. This is tract. This is the olfactory bulb, but it's just fine if you say olfactory nerve or cranial nerve 1. That's fine. Did I miss anything on the surfaces? Oh, transverse fissure exists between the cerebellum and the cerebrum. Now I think we got it all. Okay, so now we'll look at kind of a sagittal view of the brain. I don't know which way to go. Okay. And I've got to stop moving so much would probably be helpful. This top white line is the corpus callosum. The bottom white is the fornix. The space in between is the lateral ventricle, which contains the choroid plexus that makes cerebrospinal fluid. And then this big circle here is the thalamus region. I think that's everything.
Great.
So it's
Thank
all
you.
done.